Oh, that happens, they know. May 15th, Hopkinton, Mass. Chad here. There's the beekeepers, Becky and Nick, that called me out. Their bees seem to be doing fine. 2 new packages a month ago. And we got about, I'd say anywhere from like 10 to 12,000 hanging right there in this cluster, in this swarm. And we are set up to go. Get them in a nuke and get them in a new home. So, you see this, do not spray. They are harmless. They are honeybees looking for a new home. You can give me a call to remove them at 508-341-4389. Let's set it up and get them into their new home. Here we go. I just kind of give it a second, let them kind of recluster.
Absolutely. Absolutely. There's no way that was a swarm for my eye.
We'll watch what's going on here. They're fanning, which is a good thing. They're all fanning. Alright, I'll show you the first. The first here. I'll let the other swarm up top gather back up. There they are, they're in there fanning. As I say, tails are up. It's a good sign they're not leaving yet. We'll keep watching and see what they do. It's kind of a stormy day, humid. Oh, there's the queen. She's marked white. Queen is in. Got the queen. Good news.